Hello everyone and a hearty welcome to all of you to class 11th. I know unfortunately we are struggling with a very difficult situation where it is not possible to conduct Tarunotsava classes like we conduct it every year in classrooms. So unfortunately this year we are using this digital platform for conducting classes. First of all, I'd like to tell you in this situation, health is your priority. So please take care of your health, take care of your family, do not step outside home. And if all of us try together, we can definitely fight against this deadly disease. And then let's talk about computer science. I know that I'm talking to the students who are from a generation where everyone is quite tech savvy. So you're already using different programs, different applications in your computer, laptop, mobile, and you are well updated about all the recent versions of operating system, recent gadgets. So why you need to study computer science at all? Now, nobody can teach you a subject unless you try to learn it. So I can only help you. Let me give you one reason. You are using so many applications, but who are creating it? The computer programmers are creating those applications for you. If you study computer science, you can design your own application, you can design your own program, you can design your own networks, and you can do so many other things. There will be so many ways you can contribute towards the society with the help of computer science. So in today's class, we'll be discussing about the syllabus of computer science computer science subject, and also some general computer concepts will be discussed. I'm sure you are already aware of those things. Just a quick brush up we'll be doing here. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the syllabus of computer science. This is the revised syllabus that has been revised this year only. That means for the session 2020 and 21. So first let's see what are the main units that will be there in the syllabus. First one is computer system and organization. We have 70 marks theory and 30 marks practical. So computer system and organization, it will carry 10 marks. So what are the topics that will be discussed in this unit? This is basically the computer hardware and software parts will be discussed. Like basic computer organization, description of a computer system and mobile system. So mobile system architecture also will be discussed. Types of software, there are application software, system softwares, what are the different categories of application and system softwares that are also will be discussed. Memory units, Boolean logic, Boolean algebra, binary number system, and different logic gates like NOT and OR, XOR, XNOR, those also will be discussed with De Morgan's law. Now let me tell you, this De Morgan's law you will be having common with mathematics, logic circuits. Some of the portions will be common with your physics syllabus as well. Then number system, a bit of number system you already know, different number system and the laws of number system like binary, octal, hexadecimal and decimal number system will be discussed here. Encoding system, what is ASCII code, what is UTF-8, UTF-32, ISCII code and Unicode, these will be discussed. Different encoding system will be provided to you. Now what is encoding system? You know, computer doesn't understand what we understand. What we provide as input, it is directly not understood by computer. Now encoding system helps there. Next part, let's see, it's computational thinking and programming. We'll be learning Python programming in this part. It will be carrying 45 marks. So you'll be learning Python programming in this part. So just let's see what is there. And also in the first part, there are different software concepts like compiler, interpreter, operating system. Cloud computing, it's also a very new concept. cloud computing, different advantage, disadvantage of cloud computing, that also will be discussed. Now computational thinking and programming. Here we'll learn about features of Python, character set, introduce the notions of variable, how to use it, normally how to write a program. So this will be the first programming language that you are learning, and once you learn a programming language, you will find there is similarity between different programming language. If you learn C, you can learn C++ and Java easily. If you learn Java, you can learn any other programming. If you learn Python, you can learn any other programming that will be required in future. So learning one programming language thoroughly is very, very important. So in this part, we'll be learning Python programming language. Lots of things we'll be learning in Python programming language. So that is there. And Unit 3, as you can see, Unit 3 is carrying, the name of Unit 3 is Society, Law and Ethics. Here it carries 15 marks. Now this part is also very important because here you will be learning the laws of cyber security. Now online transactions, online communication, so many things are increasing. So definitely it's also, cybercrime is also increasing. So in this part, you will be learning the Indian Cyber Act and also what are the things that you are allowed to do in computer internet and what are the things that you are not allowed to do. So this is also very important part because here you can educate yourself, you can impart education to your surroundings who are there. So you can teach them also what they are allowed to do while using internet and what is not allowed to do while using internet. So here also we'll be learning cyber safety, safely browsing the web, identity protection, confidentiality, how to use social networking, because so many things we do without knowing that these can also be listed as cybercrime. So this portion will definitely will be very helpful to be aware of cyber crime and cyber security, and it will definitely help you to build up your netiquette. This is a new concept. Netiquette means internet etiquettes. So this is basically, I am not discussing in detail because if you opt for the subject, definitely it will be discussed. Each and every topic will be discussed in class. So these are the mainly 3 things that you have to do. You have to do one project also, and this is the syllabus for practical. Here 30 marks are there in practical. Out of that, you have to make a program of 12 marks and a report file of 7 marks. You have to definitely prepare a practical file, and one Viva will be there for 3 marks, and you have to do a project. That means a software you have to build. That will be your project work of 8 marks. So this is roughly what will be taught to you in class 11th. In detail it will be discussed when you will be starting classes. Start from the very basic thing of computer. Now what is a computer is made of? What a computer is made of? Mainly 2 things, hardware and software. You already know. What is hardware? Those parts of computer that we can see and touch. As simple as that. Computer hardwares are also called computer peripherals. So what are those hardware parts of computer? Here it is written. You already know, all of you know. Cabinet case, motherboard, RAM, hard disk, CPU, SMPS, keyboard, mouse, monitors, printers, speakers, etc. These are the parts that we can see and touch. They are hardware. What are softwares? Softwares means computer programs that make these hardwares work, make these hardwares run. So without software, these hardwares cannot work. So these are computer software. What are softwares? This cannot be touched, but it cannot be felt or touched, but these are basically programs. Who makes computer software? The computer programmers. That means you in future will definitely make computer software or computer programs. These computer programs will make this computer hardwares run. So this is basically what computer software and computer hardware. Now here, computer softwares also can be categorized into different categories. Like computer software broadly divided into two categories. One is system software, another one is application software. What is system software? System softwares are those softwares that helps the computer. That means it helps in computer's internal functioning. How the computer will work. This is a computer friendly software. Like what are the system softwares? Operating system, that is a system software. Language processor, that is a system software. It is helping the computer. Next, what is application software? It's not helping the computer, it's helping us. That means it's helping the users. It is working as per user's instruction. That means if you want to watch a movie in computer, you are using Windows Media Player. That's the application software. If you want to paint, you are using Microsoft Paint. That's the application software. If you want to make a balance it in Excel, you are using Excel. This is basically for helping the user. These are application softwares. So basically computer softwares can be divided into two categories, system software and application software. It can be further divided as package, general purpose software, special purpose software and all these. So other than hardware, system and application software, there is another kind of software that works like system software but actually application software. They are called utility software. That means they will be listening to users but will help the computer, like antivirus. So they are utility software. So very simple concepts, two concepts we have discussed. What are they? What is computer hardware, what is computer software, and what are the different types of computer hardware and software. So for this class only this much we will be discussing, and again in the next class we will be continuing. Thank you very much for watching. So I hope this video class was helpful to you, because we have discussed about the syllabus that we will be teaching in class 11th, and also some quick discussion on concepts of basic concepts of computers were done. So I'd be really happy if this video was helpful to you. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in the next class. Bye.